Hello kids! Today let's learn about our neighborhood or places in the town. So what is neighborhood? The people, the place and the things around our house constitute our neighborhood. And people who live near our house are our neighbors. So are you ready to explore? Let's go! Vegetable shop, school, library, museum, pharmacy, hotel, park, bank, airport, mall, fire station, police station, gas station, post office, railway station, coffee shop, supermarket, hospital, temple, church, butcher shop, flower shop, pet shop, clothes shop, fruit shop, sweet shop, pizza shop, barber shop, saloon, toy shop, burger shop, factory, stadium, gym, bakery shop, zoo, cinema hall, theater, travel agency, laundry shop, dry cleaner, city hall, farm, shoe shop, clinic, bus stop, filling station, restaurant, beach. Thank you. Thanks for watching.